Seibon carbon fiber front lip for the GR Corolla. I'm excited. I actually just got a brand new front bumper. Thank you, random possum on the back road. So we're good to go. It's got fresh paint, has been cured. It's sat for a few days, it's fine. Yeah, I got 2 screw holes here, 2 there. So we're gonna put it up, mock it up, draw little paint pens on where those holes are, go ahead and pilot a couple of holes, and I am going to nut and bolt it. Typically, carbon lips like this, self-tapper is very common. I track it, I know I'm gonna be hitting the bottom of this thing. This is probably gonna be a consumable, so I'm gonna nut and bolt it, that way it'll hold on for dear life as much as it can. Speaking of which, I did go ahead and off camera, go ahead and run a nice little reel of 3M double-sided tape all the way around, just for a little extra security. But we're gonna go up, mock up those holes first, pilot them, and then we'll peel all the tape off, stick it on, and go from there. All right, so I took it in, and we didn't peel any of the film off, anything like that. The double-sided tape, it is seriously just stuck on there. And there's 2 holes, like I said, on either side. And what looks pretty cool is the furthest back, so closest to the tire, is already a factory bolt for the fender liner and the bumper. So I'll just back it out, put this on, tighten it back up. But the one further up is not. There is no hole. So taking a paint pen, making a little dot. Hole lines up there, nice. Cool. Need to make a hole there, and we're gonna use that one there. Same thing on the other side. Sweet. I like it.
I just really like it.
Might help if you have it go in the right direction, Dave. All right, now, just because I can, I'm gonna go ahead and mock it up one more time. I'm just gonna slide it on over everything. And I am gonna run those bolts in it just to make sure I like the way it sits before I peel all this tape, because it is double-sided tape. You can do it again if you get it wrong. If you've ever worked with double-sided tape, you don't wanna do that. What do we think, Dave? Yeah? This side does too? Yeah, it was a little, yeah, it was a little pulled away, and that's just one like in through the bumper and the fender liner. Yeah. So yeah, I think I take them out, pull them out, pull some tape and stick her on, dude. This is fast. This is like super easy. This is good. I like this.
I just really like it.
Nice.
Okay, I got it, Dave.
Yay.
You ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
No. Put 4 10 mils in her and she's done. What do you think, Dave? Yeah, let's put it on the ground and see what she looks like. That is certainly more aggressive, Dave. Yeah. I hope I don't take it out on any parking bollards like in front of Subway. I like it, Dave.
I just really like it.
I think it looks good. It's pretty aggressive for not being like, you know, functional aero, for just being an aesthetic piece. It's nice. I love it. That's how easy it is to install a Seibon front lip on a GR Corolla. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on what how-to video you want us to do next.